Well, good afternoon. Yes, that is a complete new sentence which I use in my videos, because normally I always start my videos with good morning. Well, at least on this side of the camera, it is afternoon at the moment. In this video I will share part 2 of my trip from Honfleur all the way to Rouen on the Seine. And if you have seen my previous video, then you know that there was some confusion about using the VHF on the Seine. Is it number 10 or is it number 73? What channel to use? Well, if you have a look on the Bible, the almanac, it says this. And then I bought some PDFs, and one of the PDFs says nothing about VHF communication. And then later, when I was in France, I bought this booklet. And yes, this booklet shows the following on page 63. But yeah, then I already was in France and in Rouen. And from there, you have a couple of locks and then it is easy. How about this? Shall we continue the journey? Come on then, let's go. Also tried 7.3. Let's try that again. Cruise ship, Seine Princess. Are you on 7.3? Let's have a look. There is a sign, but it doesn't say anything. There's nothing on it. Auto. It's just a white sign with a red square. Yeah, it's too pity that the guys from the pilot have forgotten to tell us what VHF channel to use. Yeah, every website that I see, every PDF that I download tells me that VHF channel 10 is the mandatory channel for Marine Nationale. But yeah, perhaps it is possible that the guys that I made a call to don't want to answer because I call them in English. Do you read on this VHF channel? Lisez-vous sur cette chaîne VHF?
Lisez-vous sur cette chaîne VHF?
Yeah.
Lisez-vous sur cette chaîne VHF?
Lisez-vous sur cette chaîne. Lisez-vous sur cette chaîne VHF? Do you read on this VHF channel? Yeah, but well, okay. Now we know. Coffee time! Yes, I must say that it is not 10 o'clock at the moment because we went through the locks at 10 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock already. Let me make some adjustments to the route. So yeah, I have a very special French cookie. It's this with caramelized sugar, is that the word? And oh, these are so lovely. I bought them at the patisserie. And of course, coffee. So, how about this? I suggest you grab something to eat and or to drink and let's enjoy this joyful moment together. Cheers, and thank you very much for watching and for your support. Oh, by the way, have you already subscribed to the channel? If not, please do now. We already see the leaves of the trees change color. It's the 14th of September and you already see some change in color. They become yellowish. And when I was in Honfleur, I already had brown leaves on the deck, and because of the hard wind, it's that time of the year almost, or it's that time of the year already. Container vessel Oro is approaching me, and I do not see a blue sign. So I will continue my side of the river. Well, I must confess that I had hoped that the current would have kicked in already for at least 1 hour. But yeah, when I look at the speed over ground, it does not seem like it. So yeah, somebody made a wrong calculation. Somebody. It's not me. over here you see the buoy, and you see behind the buoy that the current is running that way. So let's have a look. Yes, speed over ground, one engine, 1900 RPMs, 12.2 kilometers. Yes, yes. So let's see what the current brings us, the tidal effect. Woohoo! 15 minutes past 2 o'clock. Speed over ground, 16 kilometers per hour at 1900 RPM. Do you hear the alarm? Two boats are approaching my safety zone. The Amadeus Diamond and the Amalira. Amadeus Diamond and Amalira. And I have a safety zone of 1 kilometer. And the moment that they approach this 1 kilometer safety zone within 2 minutes, the alarm sounds. I can switch the sound off now because I have seen them on my AIS already. And if you see the screen grab, then you see that I only have a very small chart of the Seine available, and this is the zoomed out version. And the moment that I zoom in, you see that when the information is not necessary to show, it is not shown. 5:45. We are in the Rouen area. We still have quite some mileage to go. Still at least 16 kilometers. So with the current speed, that is approximately 1 hour to go. Rouen Port. 5:45 in the Rouen area, and then still I have 1 hour to go before I am at Rouen itself. And that is because it is an enormous area with all kinds of sea-going vessels, and I had not expected that. That was something, yeah. So I have a special notice to the people who live on Jersey. Have you seen that the French also have a village as you guys have? And I will not mention it. It was shown in the screen grab from my chart. Did you notice it? Well, anyway. So yeah, here we are at the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please give me the thumbs up. And how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye.